I get this question all the time. Devin, should I pause publishing for a week to clean up a broken workflow or just keep shipping through the mess? Here's the rule. If the workflow problem is causing repeat rework on every video, pause or downshift. If it's just annoying but contained, keep publishing and fix it in parallel. I use a simple 3-part check. First, find the actual bottleneck. Is it scripting, approvals, editing, thumbnails, or handoff? Don't say the workflow is broken if one step is the real problem. Second, measure the blast radius. Ask, is this hurting video quality, missing deadlines every week, or burning hours in rework? If the answer is yes, on 2 of those 3, don't brute force consistency. That's when a short reset makes sense. Third, pick one of 3 modes. Patch mode, keep your schedule and fix one step after hours. Maintenance mode, reduce to a lighter upload or simpler format while you rebuild. Pause mode, take up to 1 week only if the fix removes a recurring bottleneck that affects every upload. The mistake is pausing without an exit condition. Before you stop, define what fixed means. New SOP, clear owners, turnaround times, and 1 test run. If you need one place to track those handoffs, that's where Satura helps. So no, don't pause by default. Pause only when the repair is smaller than the ongoing damage.